Do you know what good gut health is? Your morning starts with the perfect bowel movement and you feel energized throughout the day. But did you know an unhealthy gut can cause problems in your immune levels and mental health? It can even lead to autoimmune diseases, endocrine disorders, gastrointestinal disorders, and more. Don't worry, I'm here to give you very simple ways in which you can make your gut healthy again. Now, probiotics are tiny microorganisms that we take willingly through different food items. No guys, we don't do that because it is a task on Khatro Ke Khiladi. We take the tiny microorganisms in probiotics because they are good bacteria and give lots of health benefits to the body. Now you see, not all microorganisms cause disease. Some actually save us from getting it. And Indian diet has a number of cheap, easily available probiotics that are great for your health. Here are our top 5. Number 5. Achar. Yes, the achar that you love to have with your dal chawal or paratha is actually great for you. Pickles are made by fermenting fruits and vegetables like aam, gajar, neembu, etc. And this fermentation process adds healthy bacteria in the process. You know the best part? Pickles can also renew and restore any affected tissue lining in the digestive tract. So, adding a spoonful of achar to your meals will not only give amazing taste, but also help in digestion. Now let's move on to number 4 in the list of probiotics, which is Idli batter. Yes, you will not believe this, but the culture used in making South Indian favorites like dosa, idli, appam is super rich in probiotics. This is because the fermentation process of rice and lentils to make these dishes fosters the growth of good bacteria. So, stock up on that South Indian breakfast at least once every week. At number 3, we have Kanji, a miracle drink which can give competition to kombucha any day. Kanji boosts immunity, is great for skin, helps in weight loss, and is great for digestion. No wonder it is called a miracle drink. But unfortunately, even Kanji is not that well known or celebrated. Is it that we take desi items around us for granted and rather go for the overhyped, marketed ones? That's a question to ponder. On number 2 position, let's give a big round of applause to everyone's favorite, Chach or buttermilk. Ever wondered why Chach has that khatta flavor? Well, that's because Chach has live cultures of lactic acid bacteria. And by now, we all know that good bacteria present in fermented foods can create a balance of good bacteria in the gut. So piyo Chach, dawa ke. And finally, we have arrived at the number 1 position of top 5 desi probiotics. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, Dokla. Yes, give me a cheer all you Gujarati people. Come on. Apart from being super tasty, did you know Dokla is an excellent source of probiotics? And since it is made from besan, it is also a great source of protein. So aaj sham snacks ke liye Dokla hi mangwana. Let us know which one of these is your favorite in the comments below.